In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the background in Nano Banana using Google Gemini. Whether you're sprucing up a personal photo or prepping a professional shot, removing the background is a fantastic way to enhance the image's appeal. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Google Gemini. This platform is where we'll be handling all the magic of background removal. Once you've arrived at the site, you'll notice that there's an inviting icon for adding files. Click on this icon to proceed. It's designed to help you easily upload any image that you want to edit. Next, click on the Upload Files option. Here, you'll need to select the photo you want to work on. Simply navigate through your files and choose the image you have in mind. This could be anything, a family portrait, a product photo, or even a casual snapshot. Once you've selected your photo, add it to the app, wait for it to upload completely before moving on to the next step. Now that your image is ready to be edited, it's time to initiate the background removal process. Within the app interface, look for a tool labeled Background, AI Remove, or Replace Background. These labels may vary slightly, but they all point towards the tool designated for altering or removing the background. Your photo is just a few clicks away from looking more polished. At this stage, the app might prompt you to enter a text prompt. This is your opportunity to clearly articulate your vision for the image. Type in something descriptive like replace background with a white seamless studio, preserve fine hair, add natural contact shadow under shoes. This ensures the app captures your creative intent and applies the changes accordingly. After you've input your text prompt, click the Generate button. This step is where the AI will work its magic to apply the specified changes to your image. It'll take a moment as the app processes your command, meticulously removing the background and replacing it as you described. Finally, once you're satisfied with how your image looks, it is time to download it. You should have the option to save this newly transformed picture to your device. This ensures you have your edited image readily available for any use you have in mind, whether it's sharing on social media, showcasing a product, or adding to your professional portfolio. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've successfully removed and replaced a background in Nano Banana using Google Gemini. It's a straightforward process that can make a world of difference in your images. Thanks for tuning in and happy editing.